Hello traders, welcome back to another video of Trade with Vbros. Today's day 4 of $70 to $1,000 challenge. As you all know, we started with $70 and today we are standing at $85.17 with a profit of $15.28. So currently we have shared $5.78 till now to the signal provider, and the overall percentage is 21.82%. And if we go to the Telegram channel where I update all the updates, all my portfolio updates, yesterday our profit was at 13.76. Today we can see it is at 15.28. If you would like to start the copy trading, you can join our channel. All the steps are mentioned in the channel. Tomorrow I'll be back with the update on my portfolio. Thanks for watching.